As the Medical Association is threatening to embark on a total strike, a free medical and surgical outreach to kickstart 2021 Nigerian Medical Association Annual General and Scientific Conference has begun at the Kwali Area Council of the Federal Capital Territory. Residents within the community came out in their numbers for the outreach, which will include surgeries for those with more serious ailments. Kemi Balogun reports.
This is the Dabi Bako Comprehensive Primary Healthcare Center within the Kwali Area Council of the Federal Capital Territory. It is part of other 6 area councils within the FCT. This only healthcare center is playing host to hundreds of residents within this community for the next 2 days. And this medical team from the Nigerian Medical Association of the FCT is here to play its part of giving back to the society.
As medical doctors, in our places of work, we get paid salaries, but we also take time out to come to a center like this where we know there are indigent patients, people that cannot afford healthcare, that cannot even access the healthcare centers, especially in the main towns. So we decided to come to them and with all the specialists, all the paraphernalia of specialists here.
General body checks, treatment of ailments, eye tests, and even surgeries are all on the list of this team who have come all the way from Abuja. This 65-year-old grandmother is here to get her eyes tested. She is put through the various checks by the ophthalmologist and given a pair of glasses at the end of her session. These doctors, nurses and midwives are here to cater to the medical needs of residents of this community as part of focusing on strengthening the primary level of health care.
Services that are being carried out here include medical cases, surgery cases, ENT, we have free drugs for children, and I think general treatments like malaria. So it's a real opportunity and we appreciate this kind gesture.
We'll be seeing people who have various ailments, hypertension, blood pressures, issues, people who have diabetes. We have our ENT doctors who check the ears here. We also have the doctors, the ophthalmologists and the optometrists who are checking the eye for the people who are here. And by later today and tomorrow, we'll be having free surgical cases that we'll be doing. People who have different ailments like lumps and hernias.
The 1-week-long annual general meeting and scientific conference will take place with the theme Improving the Quality of Healthcare Services in the FCT in the midst of emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.